Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. Thanks for the time given to me. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sumiati Sulastri Wulandari. My register number 18588203048. I'm from English Study Program, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Tribhuwana University of Kalabahi. And now I will present my term of reference with the title Morphological Process of the Lama Holot Language in the Moton Wutun Village at Flores Timur. The first introduction, a background. Language is the most important part of human life. When we know about a language, then we will be able to speak and understood by others who master the language, meaning that we produce sounds, the significant meaning or function to understand and interpret by others. According to the opinion expressed by Krida Laksana 1983, language is a system of arbitrary sound symbols used by members of social groups to work together, communicate, and identify themselves. With language, it can convey truth or ideas to other people easily. Therefore, language play a very important role in facilitating communication and socializing with the wider community. Regional languages are also a culture that belong to Indonesian and need to be preserved. Analyzing different regional languages in Indonesian are different from one another. Both structurally and the sounds produced, this often creates difficulties in learning a language. In a language, there are many rules that govern so that the language can be used properly and correctly, as stated by Samsuri 1983. Language is a collection of rules, patterns, and rules, or in another word, a system. So, language is the elements and rules. From the opinions above, it shows that the elements and rules contained in language are very important in learning language. Likewise, in learning regional language, when you want to master regional language as a science, the thing that needs to be understood first in the rules and structures found in regional language. The basic things in learning a language, for example, regarding word formation in every language, must have its own characteristic. In regional language, the system of word formation is studied in English, namely morphology. Child 2007 said that morphology is the process of forming words from a basic form through a morphological process. Studying the process of word formation will make it easier to understand a sentence or text. Words have an important role in language. According to Rahmadi et al. 2009, the morphological process is an even way of word formation by connecting one morpheme with another morpheme. In the morphological process, the smallest form in the morpheme and the largest form. Another opinion is expressed by Ferrar 1998. Morphology is a part of linguistics which study the arrangement of part of word consisting of morphemes. The morphemes are combined into words according to certain grammatical rules. Indonesia in archipelagic country that has various regional languages. In East Flores region, especially its Solar district, the village of Motanwutun has a regional language called Lama Holot. According to Wikipedia, Lama Holot language is the language used by the Lama Holot tribe. The Lama Holot language in its pronunciation has different dialect and sub-dialect based on the layout of the residential area. Based on the above opinion, of course, the Lama Holot language also has a different structure and words other from other regional languages in Indonesia. According to Wikipedia, Lama Holot language is the language used by the Lama Holot tribe. Its speakers are spread from the extreme tip of Flores to the west of Solar, including pockets on the north coast of Pantar, northward of Alor, and the surrounding islands. This language belongs to the Austronesian language family. The Lama Holot language, in its pronunciation, has distinctive dialects and sub-dialects based on the layout of the residential area. Because the Lama Holot language has a different dialect based on the layout of the residential area, it is necessary to know how the morphological process in the Lama Holot language is so that research feel it is important and take the title of the research morphological process in the Lama Holot language in the village of Motanwutun at Flores regions. The second research problem. This research will perform for the following problems based on the context of the study. 1. What types of affix morphemes occur in each morphological process of the Lama-Holland language in the village of Mottenwotten. 2. What is the form and function of the morphological process of the Lama-Holland language in the village of Mottenwotten? C. Research objective. Based on the research problem above, this research will conduct with the aims of 1. To describe what types of affix morpheme occur in each morphological process of the Lama-Holland language in the village of Mottenwotten. 2. What are the forms and function of the morphological process of the Lama-Holland language in the village of Mottenwotten? D. Benefit of research. The first general. By knowing the morphological process of the Lama-Holland language, it will increase the knowledge of both researchers and language users and also become one of the cultural heritage that are guarded and preserved for the next generation of language so that the Lama-Holland language does not become extinct in time. The second, for institution. This research will be a reference material of reading material for students majoring in English education both at the Tribhuvan University of Calabahi and other campuses. The third, for other research. The research will be added to the research in the field of language and become materials and sought for conducting related research. Scope of writing. In this research, the research will focus on 1. What types of affixation morpheme occur in its morphological process of the Lama-Holland language in Mottenwotten village. 2. What is the form and function of the morphological process of the Lama-Holland language in the village of Mottenwotten? F. Research design. This study used a descriptive qualitative procedure with the aims of finding the accuracy of the linguistic data as it is. In this case, the data source as the object to be examined must be genuine. Descriptive qualitative research method is a method used to answer research problems related to data in the form of narrative short form interview, observation, and document transfer. G. Data collection technique. Data collection techniques in this study are observation techniques, fact accounting, and recording. Data collected for this research use more primary data while secondary data only used as a complement to the primary data analysis. Profit from the use of secondary data is that researchers are not involved in seeking filed research, found, record, and train interviewers, determine some cost, and collect data in the file is very energy consuming and time. Using the accidental technique, namely who was mentoring to the research with this user as example. 1. Observation. The author conduct research directly to the object of research. 2. Documentation study. The author examines manuscript and books related to the morphological process of the language in the fields of mathematics. 8. Data analysis technique. The data analysis technique used in the research is the descriptive analysis, which describes and interprets the data obtained from the file observation and from informant. There are 3 the main elements in the process of analyzing qualitative research data, namely 1. Data reduction is part of the analyzing process that emphasizes, sorting, and discard things that are not important so that research conclusion can be carried out. 2. Data presentation in arrangement of information that allows it to be drawn a research conclusion. 3. Conclusion is the final result of the data reduction and data presentation. Research conclusions need to be verified so that they are solid and can really be done accountable for data. Okay, I think that's enough of my present about my terms of reference with the title Morphological Process of the Lama-Holland language in the Mottenwotten village at Palestine. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.